Hi, my name is Jamie Viveros. I'm the Science for Kern TOSA for KCSOS. I'm talking to you today about distance learning using Science for Kern. We are a free lending library which focuses on the next generation science standards and provides materials, lessons for teachers and students. Science for Kern is a turnkey science education program for all Kern County teachers from grades 3 through 6th grade. All-inclusive science kits include hands-on materials, curriculum, a student journal delivered right to your school for classroom use or at-home use. So we have transferred our kits. So we have distance learning kits for home. So students will receive a free individual materials kit for students' hands-on distance learning experience. So just like you see in the picture, those materials will include 2 to 3 hands-on activities for each of the kits, a student journal, and a pencil. Course curriculum is either available in Canvas and is available in Google Docs as a hyperdoc. You can teach the unit either asynchronous or synchronous or do a hybrid. Hands-on materials will be delivered to your school site, ready for parents and students to pick up. You can see in those bags, everything is ready to go. Parents come in, pick it up. And then the students get to keep those materials. Here's an example of some information from Canvas. So with our rocks and fossils, this is what it would look like, and you have the whole lesson. And so when you go into Canvas, there's your commons on the left-hand side, and then you can just type in Science for Kern, and it will take you to all of the available units. With adaptations, for example, I can go in, it gives me a 5E model with those NGSS lessons. And then we start with our inquiry, which is our phenomenon. And so the students will answer that question, go straight into their student journal, and get started with that phenomenon piece. Move right into engage piece where they notice and wonder and watch a video and then talk about their notices and wonderings. And then they get right into an explore piece where they do an experiment. And this is where the kit comes in with the materials. So students will read through this investigation and then go through and answer questions and then put data into their student notebook. And they have all of those materials right there in front of them. The next slide shows you the Google piece. So there is a Google document, the HyperDoc, which is the same thing as the Canvas piece. It's just put in a Google Doc. Now you as a teacher can throw that into your Google Classroom, make a copy for each student. You can alter the document because it's going to be yours after I send you the link, and you can do with what you need to do. Here's an example. This is that at Adaptations Bird Beat Lab. We have tweezers, your notebooks, you have all of your materials that come into those bags. Here's one on energy transfer. And then these are the current distance learning kits we have. So we have adaptations, scientific method, rocks and fossils, which is new. You get to learn about Kern County history. I worked with the museum to get all of that information, energy transfer and waves. And then coming up pretty soon, I'm working on ecosystems. Here's some examples of some more kits. We have from our rocks and fossils kit, we have rocks. And then from our scientific method, that's a sled pull. And then down here is an engineering design students get to work on as they're learning about energy. If you have any questions at all, you can contact me at that email or visit our website.